Hi, my name is Louise Horrigan. I'm a lecturer in physiology in the School of Medicine, and I'm going to talk to you today about functional foods. So what are functional foods? Well, functional foods are foods that contain active ingredients that have been scientifically proven to have beneficial effects that go beyond basic nutrition. Now, these active ingredients may be present naturally in foods, or they may be added into foods, such as the probiotics in some yogurts, or the phytosterols, the cholesterol-lowering chemicals that have been added into some buttery spreads. Currently, there's huge interest in a group of chemicals that are found in foods called polyphenols. Polyphenols are chemicals that are very high in concentration in foods that are derived from plants, in other words, fruit and vegetables. Many studies all around the world indicate that polyphenols may have beneficial effects for the prevention and the treatment of lots of different diseases. Diseases such as high blood pressure, diabetes, Alzheimer's disease, even inflammatory autoimmune conditions, even cancer. However, there is a lot more work yet to be done to fully investigate how beneficial or effective these polyphenols can actually be. My main role in physiology is in teaching and learning, so I often work with students to look at the physiological effects of polyphenols and of foods that contain polyphenols. We've done some work with blueberry juice. Blueberries are very high in polyphenols, and that's what gives them their intense blue colour. We've also done some studies to look at hawthorn juice. Hawthorn juice is a commercially available juice that has been made from the fruit, the leaves and the flowers even of the common hawthorn tree. And this hawthorn tree is the one that we commonly see all around us here. It grows widely in the northern hemisphere. Now, hawthorn has previously been proven scientifically to be beneficial for the treatment of chronic mild heart failure. So it is possible that it may have other beneficial effects in other conditions. However, there is still lots more work to be done in this area. For example, many of the studies that have been done, including our own, have been done in vitro. So that means outside of the body, on the bench, using isolated cells and tissues. However, if we are truly to know the effectiveness of these polyphenols and the foods that contain polyphenols, we need more in vivo studies. That means we need to learn more about how these chemicals work when they are inside the body. For example, when we eat the fruit or the vegetable containing polyphenols, or if we were to take polyphenols in a capsule, what would happen to those polyphenols? Would they be able to make their way out from the fruit into the digestive tract? Can they pass across the intestinal barrier? Are they able to make their way into the bloodstream and around all of the tissues and the cells where they might be needed to work or to prevent these diseases? And also, what are their mechanisms of action in order to prevent or possibly to treat diseases? So lots more work to be done. A very exciting road ahead for polyphenols, but for functional foods in general.